Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and then today I will show you how you can create a Google News sitemap in your WordPress website. So recently I made a video on how to get Google News approval on Blogger and WordPress. So in this video I will show you how you can create a news sitemap in your WordPress website. So for this you have to log into your WordPress dashboard, and as you can see I am using the Rank Math SEO plugin, but there is no option to include news sitemap. So to create news sitemap, we have to add another plugin called XML sitemap and Google News. So let me just copy this term and I will go to plugin section, and here I will click on add new. And here I have to search for this plugin. Now I have to install and activate this plugin. Okay, let me just activate this plugin. Now it will show an error like this. That's because we are using the Rank Math plugin to generate the sitemap. So to solve this issue, we have to go to settings, and I will click on reading here. And here I will scroll down and I will deselect the XML sitemap and I will select the Google News sitemap, and I will click on save changes. And as you can see, this issue is now fixed, and it is showing that keep only one sitemap plugin. So as we are not using this plugin to generate XML sitemap, we are only using this plugin to generate the Google News sitemap. So you can ignore this warning. Okay, now you have to click on this setting icon here. Now here you will see a option like this. So here by default it will take the site title as the publication name, or you can set a custom publication name here. And here you can select the post option, and here you can limit the post category. Suppose you are running a category like news, then you can select that category only, so that it will only include that category in the news sitemap. So let me just select the blogging here, and I will select SEO, and I will select WordPress as my news category, and I will click on save changes. Okay, now you can see your news sitemap by clicking on this button, Google News sitemap. So let me just click on here. Okay, Google News sitemap is now generated in our WordPress website, and here you can see that there is one blog post. That's because news sitemap only allow posts that are published within 48 hours. And Google News sitemap help Googlebot to crawl your sitemap and index the news content immediately after it published. So you can just copy the news sitemap URL and go to Google Search Console, and under the sitemap you have to enter the sitemap URL and click on submit. So it may take some time to fetch the URL properly, so you can try again if not fetched immediately. I hope you got the idea how to generate a news sitemap in your WordPress website, and you can also use some premium plugins like Yoast News SEO plugin, or you can use the all-in-one SEO plugin which allow us to create Google News sitemaps. So if you want to generate it for free, then you can use this plugin XML sitemap and Google News. If you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section, and do like this video and subscribe Key to Blogging. Thank you.